Alright guys, I got you too. I know I was gonna get some hate mail because I was talking about my ladies now. You know, I can only identify with what I am, you know what I mean? But I got you too. Fellas, 5 reasons why you should be drinking celery juice too. First reason, drinking celery juice every day will reduce your blood sugar level. So if you have been told that you were pre-diabetic or had some sensitivity to sugars, hypoglycemia, and those words are thrown around at you, celery juice can reduce blood sugar levels. Number 2, lowers high cholesterol. Drinking celery juice every day, and I don't mean pointing like this like I'm trying to tell you what to look at mama, but I can, okay? Lowers high cholesterol. So we know why cholesterol can be a bad thing, or if we don't know why, cholesterol can be a bad thing because it'll start building up in the arteries and making the arteries really hard, and nothing can flow through the arteries as far as blood, which is very important to be able to circulate and flow as freely as possible. So drinking celery juice helps lower high cholesterol. Number 3, blood pressure. It brings it down. It brings it down. It helps in reducing blood pressure. Not saying to come off of a blood pressure medication if you want it now and you drink and just thinking you can drink a cup and it'll bring it down. No, it's with consistent use, consistent consumption. It's with consistent consumption that it can help lower your blood pressure. So don't stop any medication if you want some right now, and don't just go drink a cup and think that's going to work. It has to be consistent drinking of celery juice. Number 4, circulation. Stagnation of blood circulation contributes to a lot of ailments in your body. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a blood flow issue. When there's no blood flowing, there's no erection. When there's no blood flowing, there's nothing going. When there's consistent circulation, it will improve erections. That means you ain't gotta worry about getting up. Okay? We're gonna keep it real. Taking something right now to help you stay up, then you continue to just take that. You know what I mean? It's gonna be important to you. However, always consult your doctor or your physician before you want to add any type of juicing or any type of lifestyle that you have not implemented before taking the medicine, because there are some fruits and vegetables that will interact with the medication that you're taking. So make sure that you let your physician know that you're going to embark on something new, or what will this vegetable, will this fruit interact with the medicine that I'm taking now. You want to be careful, okay? 5, increase metabolism. So fellas, I need you to come real close and listen to me, okay? The only ones looking pregnant should be the women. That's it. So increase metabolism can help get rid of them guts, starting to poke out a little, you know. How can my metabolism increase if I'm not eating anything? The phytonutrients inside of celery juice has your body working. So your body is working. The great thing about juicing is you're not digesting food. So your body has time to digest what's already in there from last night. Let me remind you, it takes about 48 hours for food to clearly digest and be ready for evacuation. So when you juice, juicing celery juice early in the morning on an empty stomach keeps you full. Also, it tells your body, it's giving your body a rest to digest the food that's already in there, or preparing your body for what to digest properly the food that you're about to put in. So either way, your body is starting to work, it's starting to move, it's starting to heat up to get ready to do whatever it needs to either get rid of, or when it comes in, know how to effectively get it out properly versus just sitting in your gut. And that's why a lot of men have those pouches now, because your metabolism has slowed up. Because back in the day, you was ready, you know, you was Michael Jordan and you was be able to do everything, and then now things are slowing up because you're no longer as active as you used to be, and you're eating all type of things. You're sitting down with more sedentary, so we might have a sedentary lifestyle now, and we're not as active. And so when you drink celery juice, it helps boost your metabolism. Increased metabolism leads to weight loss. So again, make sure before you embark upon drinking celery juice or any type of health regimen, consult your physician to make sure it's okay, because some medicines can interact with some vegetables and fruit, and we don't want that. So fellas, I'm looking out for you, and why you should be drinking celery juice. There's no excuse. If anything, there's 5 good reasons for you to try it out. And I mean consistent. We can't drink it one day and you like, oh, it didn't work. I mean, at least give it 30 days and then report back to me and let me know how you feeling. Okay? For more videos, subscribe now. Oh yeah. You to the guns. Remember guys, it's important for you to be healthy too. Healthier choices, healthier you.